Hello lovely people, welcome back to Priscy's Kitchen. I hope you guys are doing great. I want to thank each and every one of you, my subscribers, my followers on Instagram and Facebook. I want to thank each and every one of you, and I also want to take this opportunity and thank Obape's Kitchen girl. I love you so much. God bless you for me, for your support. Okay, we are doing light soup and here are the ingredients. So today I have beef or cow meat. I've washed and cut already. I have Scotch Bonnet, 8 of them. If you don't like it to be spicy, just take 1 or 2. And I have my carrots. And I have my half onion, garlic. I have garlic there, and ginger. I will be blending this together to steam the meat. And I have my bay leaves, and I have this small onion which I'll be adding to the soup later on. I have my onion, which I've already cut them. I'm going to use it to steam the meat as well. I have 1 teaspoon of anise seed and 2 tablespoonfuls of tomato paste. This is mackerel. Ghana, we call it TILAPIA or geisha. That's the one I have. I'll be adding to the soup later on. I have herring or amaima. That's the one I have. And I have mackerel, which I've already grilled. And I have my smoked catfish or ajin. That's how we call it in Ghana, ajin. So guys, these are the stuff that I'm going to use for the soup. Now, all that I'm going to do is to add my diced onion to my meat and also add the bay leaves to it as well. And after, I'm going to add some salt to taste. This is 1 tablespoonful. And I added my blended ingredients. That's the garlic, ginger, and onion. And I will just go ahead and give it a stir. Yes, we just want the ingredients, the blended ingredients to marinate the meat for us. And after I covered and let it steam for about 5 minutes to 10 minutes. And I'm going to go ahead and add my blended anise seed, which I strained before adding to it. And I'm going to give it a nice stir. Now I'm going to add my tomato paste to it. Tomato paste has a good flavor when you add to your meat while steaming. So kindly do that for me, okay? If only you're going to do Priscy's Kitchen recipe, just do this for me. After adding to it, you just give it a stir. Make sure it mixes well with the other ingredients. Now I covered and I came back to check, and you can see everything is looking good. It looks like the soup is almost done, or it's even done, but it's not done yet. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my smoked catfish, ajin, and my herring amanima to it as well. I just want some of the flavor from the catfish. Yes, so that's why I'm not using all the fish at this time. I only use 1. And when the soup is like almost done, I will add the rest of it to the soup. Now, make sure you do all these on medium heat. Don't make it too high, because when it's medium, it takes a time to cook very well. Now, I cooked my peppers and carrots together, and I blended and I strained. That's the one I just added to it. Make sure you use carrots sometimes, because it's also good. It makes your soup thick and nice, you know. And besides, carrots is a vegetable and healthy. So I added my onion and the rest of the fish to the soup. And kwawe, koye papa. Oh dear, your fufu ni ready. Just make the fufu ready, okay? Na mi wie na me ma nkwen kakra. Edidi fufu na. Obeda mase debia. Debia so no pa ba beda mase. Nkwan ni koyi ankasa nkwan we dey. This channel, it's like we cook typical Ghanaian food, like the one our parents are cooking back home. That's the one we do here, okay? Priscy's Kitchen. You eat good, you pay less. Yes. So you give it a good stir. Yeah, make sure you taste to see if your salt is good. Light soup and chinim they are there. Make sure you have enough salt in it, okay guys, just to make it taste good. Now you see how the soup is bubbling. Come on. The smell that is coming out from it. Guys, what they mean just try it. You when you try, you're gonna know. Okay. So I'm on Facebook, Priscy Nhyira's Kitchen, our Facebook page, and I'm on Instagram as Priscy Nhyira's Kitchen. So now I'm gonna add my tinapa or geisha or canned mackerel to it, and this one too has a nice flavor that it adds to this the soup. It makes the soup very nice. Now I'm gonna bring you another recipe of this light soup. That one, it's my grandmother's recipe, and you're gonna love it. You will die for that soup. Trust me, I'm not gonna tell you. But you just wait for it. It's coming very soon, okay? I blended my onion and I added to it. Now I'm gonna give it a stir. And after stirring, I will just leave it on medium heat for about 20 to 30 minutes for it to finish up. While behind the scene, I'll be making my plantain fufu. This soup will go well with cocoyam fufu. So you see how it's looking now. I'm just gonna leave it for 20 minutes and it will be ready to serve. Yes. Now you see how beautiful this soup is looking, guys. Give it a try, okay? Just try Priscy Nhyira's recipe and you're gonna love this. So we've come to the end of the video. I hope you love and enjoyed watching me. Please kindly subscribe if you haven't. Click on the notification bell so that you can get all the new videos from Priscy Nhyira's Kitchen. Stay away from trouble, stay safe, and until then, I will see you another time. Stay blessed.